99% of people believe they're good and effective in their role, yet only 40% of people believe their team is effective. In the same piece of research by Wiley Group, 80% of people believe effective teamwork is more important now than it was for them to achieve their workplace goals 5 years ago. Ways of Working is a program designed to elevate your team's performance through easy-to-action team tools, focused on every area of your team's dynamics. I say your team's dynamics because it is your personality styles, unique mix of data in the platform that makes each element contextualized to your team. We use scenarios, tactical team tools, and bring it all together with data gathered by DiSC Profile. DiSC is a fantastic tool, but those who have used it in the past have fed back that can be all just a bit dry. So at its core, it's just a tool, and it's how you leverage it that makes all the difference. We commit to not using standard tools like PowerPoint, and we take your team on a journey through hands-on scenarios. Whilst exploring the interconnections between team members, we use technology such as AI mixed with everything DiSC Catalyst. Individuals get their profile, whilst the groups and comparison feature allows us to map the team out on a series of continua that impact decision-making, communication, conflict, and getting buy-in. Whether establishing norms, overcoming communication challenges, or aiming for excellence, Ways of Working is the tactical step.